Okay, so insert 6 arithmetic means between, minus 5, 6, and 11 halves. So let me write down what that means to me. It means A1 is minus 5 sixths, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, and then A8. And what's A8? It's minus 11 over 2. And there's 6 terms here. You can count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's arithmetic. So what do I know? We just did an example, so I'm getting a little better at this. Minus 11 halves. That's A8. That would equal A1, which is minus 5 sixths, plus, well, this is the 8th term, so it's going to be 8 minus 1, which is 7D. And I got to figure out what D is in order for me to do the counting. And so, I don't know, I guess I would multiply both sides by 6, and you would get minus 33, minus 5, this is 42D. I'd add minus 5 to both sides, and you would get minus, let's see what you get, 28 over 42D. And then I would divide both sides by 42, and you get minus 28 over 42 is equal to D. It pays to reduce, by the way, and I'm going to reduce by a factor of 7. That's minus 4, 6. Did I do that right? Yeah, and then it's going to be minus 2/3. All right? So that's what the D is. So the deal about this one over here, I realize that I have to add on to minus 5, 6. So really what I'm going to say is I prefer to use minus 4, 6. And I just keep adding on. And I know everything's going to be in terms of a denominator of a 6 now. I'll put this over here. So what do you get? Well, minus 4, that would give you minus 9, minus 13, minus 17, that's a 6, minus 21, minus 25, minus 29, and the next one would be minus, oh boy, I think I made a mistake somewhere. And let's see where I made a mistake. And the reason why it's got to end at minus 11 halves. I don't think I got that. And let's see. Did I write the right number down? Yeah. Minus 4, minus 9, minus 13, minus 17, minus 21, minus 25. Let's see, minus 29. And then you'd have minus 33 over 6. Oh, yeah, it works. I'm sorry. It divide by 3, you get minus 11 halves. I'm sorry. Things are working out fine. All right. I just didn't see it initially. All right, because I didn't bother to reduce it. Now, again, I'm going to point out these things are written down for you. I hate to do it to you, but I would recommend you check. Let me just get my red pen out. And, minus 9, 6 would reduce to minus 3 halves. Let me go back over here. I see that. And this is going to be minus 13 over 6. There's no reduction there. Well, let's see if I get minus 17 over 6. I see that. Let's see if we get minus 21 over 6. I don't see that. But minus 21 over 6, I'll write that down for you, can be reduced by a factor of 3, which is minus 7 over 2. And I do see that there. Minus 25 over 6. Let's go back over here. I see that. Then minus 29 over 6. I'm just checking. And of course, you end at minus 11 halves, like I said you would. All right? Thank you. By the way, I should have mentioned again, I realize that periodically, I've been kind of dying down and saying that, but my email address is B as in boy, the @ symbol, NNON.US. Thank you.